Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. A lot of people recently have been getting the error code 268 on Roblox, which is usually accompanied by the message, "You have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior." Today, I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to fix this issue. So, stick with me as I share the most common solutions to this problem. So, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is clear our DNS cache. A corrupt DNS cache can contribute to the 268 error. To do this, press the Windows key to open the Start menu. Or you can also do this by click on the search bar at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you are there, then search for command prompt. Once you type it in the search bar, then find it in the results. And then right-click on it, and then from the drop-down menu, select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type the following commands one by one. First, you have to type ipconfig and then \, and then flushtons. Once you type it, then hit the Enter button. Next, you have to type ipconfig, and then \, and then type release. Once you type it, again hit the Enter button. Now, last time, you have to type ipconfig, and then \, and then type renew. Once you type this, finally hit the Enter button. And it's done. You should get a success message after each command. Once you finish this, relaunch Roblox to see if the error persists. If it does, let's move on to the next step. Next, we need to perform a clean uninstall of the Roblox app. Press the Windows key again or click on the search bar at the bottom left corner. And then search for Add or Remove Programs. Once you type Add or Remove Programs in the search bar, then from the results, select it. Once you are in, now, in the search bar, type Roblox. Once you type it, then from the results, click on Roblox Player. Then tap on the uninstall. And then again click on the uninstall to confirm. Once the app is completely removed, head to your internet browser. Once you are there, then, in the search bar, type Roblox Download. Once you type it, hit the Enter. And then from the results, click on the first link that says Download Roblox. When you click on it, Roblox official download website will be open in front of you. Once you are in, then click on the Download Windows app button. When you click on it, your Roblox game will start downloading. Once the download finishes, run the Roblox Player installer and follow the steps to reinstall the app. If you're still experiencing the issue, we can try clearing the Roblox client cache. Press the Windows key or click on the search bar at the bottom left corner. And then search for Run. And then select it from the results. When you click on it, a small dialog box will appear. In the Run dialog box, type %, and then local app data. And then again %. Make sure there is no space between the letters. Once you type it, hit the OK button. In the folder that opens, scroll down and find the Roblox folder. When you find it, select it, and then right-click on it. And then from the drop-down menu, click on the Delete. This will clear the cache from your computer. The last solution is to make sure there are no hidden background apps running that could be causing conflicts with Roblox. Open the Start menu again, search for msconfig. And then from the results, open the System Configuration. Once you open it, then in the System Configuration window, select Selective Startup. And make sure Load System Services and Load Startup items are checked. Then, go to the Services tab. Once you are in the Services tab, then check Hide All Microsoft Services. And then click on the Disable All. And then click on the Apply the Changes. And finally click on the OK. When you click on the OK, a message will appear that says Restart your computer to apply the changes. Click on the Restart to proceed. After your computer restarts, relaunch the Roblox app and hopefully, all your issues will be resolved. And that's it. You have successfully fixed Roblox Error 268. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.